You think the crocodile wins this fight 10 out of 10 times? Do the math. You're betting on bite force, but that assumption is a trap. Because in the water, the anaconda has a secret weapon that literally changes physics. We are looking at the Green Anaconda versus the Saltwater Crocodile, the heavyweight wrestler against the armored tank. Most people think the croc's armor makes it invincible, but this is where it gets insane. Let's break down the numbers. A crocodile slams its jaws shut with 3,700 psi. That is enough to crush a car engine. If it grabs the snake's head, game over. But the anaconda isn't fighting with teeth. It's fighting with torque. It doesn't need to pierce the armor. It just needs to stop the croc from breathing. If that snake coils around the croc's ribcage, it's applying 90 psi of pressure continuously. That is like having a school bus parked on your chest. Here is the reality check. On land, the crocodile wins. It's too fast, too armored. But in deep water, the odds flip. The anaconda is more agile. If it can wrap the crocodile's snout shut, which is surprisingly easy since the muscles to open the jaw are weak, the crocodile is defenseless. It can't bite, and it can't breathe. The snake literally squeezes the life out of the dinosaur. So, who wins? In the swamp, the anaconda can suffocate the king. Is the crocodile safe? Absolutely not. But if you think that's a crazy matchup, you have to see what happens when a honey badger fights a black mamba right here on the screen. Click this video now, it is unbelievable.